Hello dear students, today in English language we will continue our explanation of chapter 1 sentence. So quickly I'll tell you what yesterday we had done. See, yesterday we had discussed about what is a sentence, and a sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. Okay, so today we'll get to know about kind of sentences and the punctuation mark we use with them. See, you know what is a sentence. Now kind of sentence means how many types of sentences we make. See, mainly there are 4 type of main sentences. Declarative sentences, which is also known as assertive sentence, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences. Now here I will tell you what punctuation marks we use with these sentences. With declarative sentences we use full stop. With interrogative sentences we use question mark. With imperative sentences again we use full stop, and with exclamatory marks we use exclamation mark. Clear? Now let us just recall that what these sentences are and how we will identify these sentences. See, in declarative sentences, what we do, we actually declare something or make a statement on something. Like if someone is asking you any question, then you will give an answer. So that is a statement you have made, that is the answer you have given, or that is something you have declared. So that is your declarative sentences, जिसको हम assertive sentence भी बोलते हैं. Like I have not finished my work. It is a kind of declarative sentence because here you are declaring, making a statement or giving an answer. So this is a clear term. For that we have to enclose it with a with a full stop. And now this is your example of declarative sentences. Now with the same second one, that is your interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, students, we generally ask question and in return we need an answer. Like so many times, or at your daily life, in your daily routine, so many people are asking you the questions and maybe you are asking questions from them. So you generally say, where are you going, what are you doing, why you have not done this, why you are so late. So like all these why you are so late, or why you are so late, or where are you going. These all are a kind of interrogative sentences to which we enclose them by using question mark. Now coming to the third one, that is a imperative sentence. Now see students, in imperative sentences there are three conditions, to which the first condition is we make imperatives in a command form, like when we give orders. Secondly, when we give advices. Thirdly, when we request something. So interrogative को we can here divide into three forms, that is request और command, जिसको हम order भी कह सकते हैं, and thirdly it is a advice. तो जब हम imperative sentence की बात करते हैं तो हमें इनको identify करना पड़ता है. Like अगर imperative sentence से हमें पता लग रहा है that someone is requesting, तो वो request form में है. Then अगर someone is giving command or ordering something, then it is in that form. And lastly, if somebody is advising you, like here I'll tell you by making three sentences. Like first one I have told you request, like